Hello everyone. In our previous video, we started a chapter Logon to SS in which we covered basic terms that we have to use in SS. Now I'm going to start a new topic, that is features of Microsoft SS. So let's start. First, SS provide the facility to break large information into small parts. Means you can easily break down your data in the smaller parts. Next, data redundancy is reduced. Data redundancy means duplicacy. In SS, the duplicacy chances of your data are very less, right? It increases the efficiency, speed and flexibility in searching the information very easily. Last one is it provides the data security feature. Means in SS our data is very secure. Okay. Now come to the next topic. Creating a blank database in Microsoft SS means how to start MS Access or how to use blank database in Microsoft Access. It's Access or SS, both are the same thing, only the pronunciation is different. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have to go to the start button, right? Then click on all program, then go to MS Office tool. When you click on MS Office tool, a dialog box will appear in which all the office functions are given, like MS Office, MS PowerPoint, MS SS, MS Word, Excel, right? So you just have to click on MS SS 2010 or 2007, whatever the SS value you are having in your computer, you just have to click on that. Okay. Then this page will appear. First of all, start button. This is the main window. Okay, just click on it. When you click on it, this dialog box will appear where we are having the option all programs, right? When you click on all program, MS Office, this MS Office option will appear and you just have to click on MS Office. When you click on MS Office, all the office tools are given here. Just click on as per your requirement, like a Microsoft SS 2010. Okay, then this screen will appear. This is the SS screen, right? Here we are having blank database. We just have to click on blank database and create. Okay, when we create blank database, the SS screen will appear. This is our SS screen, right? Now these are the basic components that we have to use in MS SS or MS Access. First is title bar. Title bar is the area where the basic title of the page is given, right? Next is ribbon. Ribbon button means where the some objects are given, special objects are given. This is the quick access toolbar. What is the meaning of quick access toolbar? This is the basic area where some options are given that we can directly use without going in a particular option. Suppose we want to save our file. So we are having two options to save our file. First is the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+S, and next is we have to go to the file tab and just select the save option. But if we want to directly, we don't want these two options, we can easily save our file with the option of quick access toolbar. As you can see here, we are a very small option, a kind of icon, a CD icon, drive icon is given here. You just have to click on it and your file will save. Same as if you want to use undo option. Undo option, we have to use Ctrl+Z, or we have to go to again in file tab and choose the undo option. But if we don't want to use both the option, we just have to click on this arrow, small arrow that is given in a quick access toolbar. So quick access toolbar basically used to quickly your tools by the simple options, right? And this is our navigation pane. Navigation pane means which basically navigate us that which kind of table we are having, which kind of data we are having, query and report, all the things that you will create, all will show here only, right? Next is navigation button. Navigation button is used to create your navigation values, right? Next, your taskbar. This is your taskbar where all the tasks are given. View button will show you that the name of your basic folder, work area, to create our data, right? So this is a basic screen in which the components are given and how we have to do the how to start the MS. This is the basic page of MSSS, right? Come to the next slide, and this slide show us where we have to create our data and how we have to create our data. When you create your data, your data will show like this only. Okay. Next topic is template. What do you mean by template? Templates are pre-built database focused on a specific task that you can download and use immediately. It's basically a layout, means design of your page, which kind of area you want to design to do your work, that is known as template, right? Now, basic option that how to close a database SS. Now, if your work is completed, you just want to close or should close your basic page of MSSS, then you go to the save file button, file tab, and choose the option close database. With the selecting this option, your screen of database will disappear, right? So this is all about your MS logon to access. Now you just have to do one thing: check both the videos very carefully and recapitulate all the things.